Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rajeshwari and I welcome you all back to yet another video. So after a very long, I'm going to shoot like a full long kind of a video. So in today's video I am going to use this particular facial kit which is by Sanfe or Sanfe. I don't know how that is supposed to be pronounced, but it is their complete body D-Tan Spa Ritual, which has glycolic acid, vitamin E, green tea and chamomile extract in it. Okay, this removes stubborn suntan, okay, as this says, and this retails for 599 rupees. Okay, now this is something interesting because what you get in a facial kit, a cleanser, scrub, a pack, that all that stuff, but this has obviously a cleanser. Step 2 is a scrub. Step 3 is an exfoliating gel. Okay, right after the scrub you get an exfoliating gel. Okay, so this is something new. You don't get a face pack in it, but instead of that you get this small bottle. This is a D-Tan oil kind of a stuff. Okay, and this says that it is step 4, like there is no face pack in it. So this is something interesting, so let's try this out. I have super duper tan on my face and I've not done facial in a very long time now, and recently I came back from a trip from Digha, so my face is super tanned. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video and start with the facial.